Okay, today we are going to learn about the Salesforce, in which Salesforce is a multi-tenant software where you can able to, all the other companies can able to use the Salesforce software. Okay, and it is also a customer relationship management where I will discuss about this customer relationship management later on to the next subject. Okay, right now I will show you how to log in to developer edition in the Salesforce. We'll have many editions in Salesforce. Right now I'm going on to developer edition, where because it is a free, it's developer.salesforce.com, where you can able to see that login. When you press the login, you should enter the username and the password. Okay, you should create an account here. Okay, after creating, this is a page, the Salesforce page, where you will able to do the admin and also developer works, where this is my name Shrikant, and my profile, my settings, and you can able to log out here. Okay, and right now we will talk about the Salesforce. Okay, uh, uh, in Salesforce I will let you know the process, how it will be, and what are the editions in Salesforce and instances in Salesforce, and also how we will deploy the code onto the Salesforce. Okay, using sandboxes. We'll discuss about the sandboxes today. The first thing is editions. Editions in the sense, right now I have showed you edition like developer.salesforce.com. It is also edition where from the Salesforce, and they are providing it. Okay, uh, one is the performance edition, and it is for lesser in the sense small company. For the small company we will use this performance edition, and the next one is enterprise edition. Enterprise edition in the sense, it is for large amount. It is a small company in the sense, lesser accounts, less records. Okay, and unlimited in the sense, this is a maximum major records you can able to use in this edition. Okay, and the next one is developer edition, where right now I have showed you. Okay, it is a developer edition. One second. This is a developer edition. Okay, where you will have these tabs specifically in the developer edition, and you will have the other editions also. I will let you know the other editions. One second. It is a professional edition and a database edition, and the next one is a storage edition. Okay, and the next topic, we'll go to the next topic. It is instances, where the instances in the sense, you can take it as Salesforce will have specific regions like Asia Pacific region, AS. In same way, we'll have different kinds of regions. When you are working in a multi MNC company, uh, you will get tickets, like tickets issues from the other country. Think like you are getting issues from the other region. You should check whether the instance, what is the instance of that country, and whether it is working or not. You can go directly to trust.salesforce.com, where you can able to check whether the instance is in working condition or not. The running instance is in working condition or not. Okay, it is the exactly is trust.salesforce.com, and for any, like if it is not working, think like instance is not working, you can able to see there in trust.salesforce.com. You should directly go to support. You should support, and you should contact this to the Salesforce regarding this issue. Okay, okay, next thing we will learn now, we'll know about is sandboxes, where you cannot able to deploy the code, or the administrative part. You can't able to deploy the code, exactly the code, or you can't able to deploy directly into the production, because the production is live. You can't make the production some troubles. Okay, in sandboxes also, like editions and instances, like editions in sandboxes also will have separate type of sandboxes. It is also based on cost. Okay, one is developer edition, Okay, it is a developer edition. Okay, and the second one is developer pro edition, and the third one is partial edition. Okay, and the fourth one is full copy, where in this the partial is the main thing, where we can able to testing, we can able to do the testing operations in the sandboxes using this partial. And the developer, if you use the enterprise edition, things like you have created an enterprise edition in which you should have a sandbox edition also. It may be developer pro, and partial, and full copy, where mostly we'll use a developer edition, and for testing purpose we'll use a partial. Okay, and right now I'm using the developer edition here. I'm able to show the same thing here, where mostly this is enterprise edition. If you press enterprise edition in Salesforce, you will get this edition. Okay, where you can able to create the edition, and in that edition, as explained, you can create the sandboxes like developer pro, and partial, and full copy. Okay, right now we will learn about the administrator part. The administrator part rules will be same as the other companies also, I mean other roles also, other fields. Okay, sorry. Okay, the first thing in the administrative part, we can take it as it is monitoring, and the second thing is processing, the third thing is troubleshooting, and the fourth thing is delivering. The troubleshooting is a important topic. Okay, where you will have two things, one is a workaround, and also the other one is a permanent, where you can able to provide the solution like a workaround solution, and troubleshooting is a permanent solution. Okay, okay, now we will go to the fourth one. It is the delivering. And the fifth one is incident management. Fifth one is incident management. Okay, incident management, in the sense I will have two types, where you can have a recovering, and the other is CR. Okay, one is recovering. Okay, one is recovering, and the other is CR, where in CR, one second, where in CR you will have a implementation and problem also. Recovering in the sense, for less SLS. Okay, we'll have like a password, I have forgotten the password, it is a recovery. Where in CR implementation, you can able to take some time in the implementation part. But the problem, the last one, the problem is very important, because on priority we should resolve this problem issues. The totally as I explained, I can't able to log into your ID. This will come under this problem column. Okay, and incident management, these are the five things the administrator should look after always. Okay.